then there was the Britishers ruling in India. Then the Trade Union Act 1926 Act 1926 was formulated. The problem with the Trade Union Act 1926 was that it is the act of the colonial mindset because India was a colony of the Britishers. Britishers were ruling India. So this act was made by the Britishers in 1926 with the colonial mindset, and it was made at that time when Britishers was ruling India. It was necessary in the modern Indian state when we have made its our own constitution that we should give power to the trade unions. At that time, laws for the trade union were made in India according to the British circumstances, according to the Britishers' demand, and Britishers gave right to organize to both the employers as well as the employee. And you know that what was the Britishers? Britishers' rule in India was the company's rule or was the businessman's rule because East India Company was a business company, was the traders who were ruling in India. So they make trade union act according to the business mindset or the capitalist mindset because they just make this act right to organize to the employer or right to make union by the employer is also the right of the employer, and right to form union of the employee is the right of the employee too. But it is not the correct situation because employer is itself a organized body, itself a powerful person, it's a powerful entity, while the laborer is not a powerful entity. So the right to organize or right to form trade union should be given to the just laborer, not to the employer. But Britishers gave this right to organize to employer also because they want to just loot India much and much. So they also give the right to organize or right to form trade union to the employer too. So just this was a just situation of the uh, East India Company's regime, and they gave right to the employer as well as the employee, and they make Section 2S in Trade Union Act as the employee have the right to organize, so the employer to have the right to organize. So Britishers formulated such provisions to make counterbalance and the power hijacking situations. But Indian laborers' needs and circumstances requirement are different one. And now the Britishers has gone from India. We have made our constitution which declare India as a socialist state, welfare state, so just we also should make the mindset that we should give right to the laborer, and parliament should make legislation on the trade union according to the Indian laborers circumstances and according to the need of the laborer.